Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do something a little different today. We're going to look at how to repeat a pattern with one for loop. Now, disclaimer, this is not the Pythonic way. The point of this exercise is to think outside the box, notice patterns, think of different ways to solve a solution. This is not readable. The readability on this is atrocious. The Pythonicness of it is horrible. But the point of this is to think of a different way to solve the problem. Just was talking about this just the other day with a student. The more you understand the problem, the more the solution presents itself. Think about a riddle. The riddle always has the solution inside of it. So, all right, here we go. What is a way with one for loop to repeat these patterns? And even this right here. So, all right, let me show you. So, all right. So, first of all, if you have not subscribed yet, these are the type videos that are coming out all the time to get you exposed and to think about things. So what tools do we have at our disposal to repeat patterns? All right, let's run this. So here we are. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the remainder first is 0. Let's do this again. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. And then I add a 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's say we wanted to do our, 4, 8, 12. So now we got to do a little bit more to it. So we got to wrap that for our PEMDAS rules and then multiply by 4. So here we are. 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12. But again, readability on this, trash, Pythonic, leveling, garbage. But again, all an algorithm is some sort of repeatability, pattern, and then how well do we understand what the problem is. So I was thinking about this. This came up twice in a week, so I thought it would be a very good video idea. So ways to think about a problem, but also maybe a message of not Pythonicness. So there we go. Real quick video today. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We have videos coming out all the time. I think this is 605, 606, and we're so close to 1,000 subscribers. I just can't say thank you enough. So as always, please drop any comments, questions, video requests, and as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.